car is cooling down now, but like it's like actually so hot outside.
It's about 30 degrees in Montego Bay.
Siri, can I get that in Fahrenheit, please?
It's about 86 degrees in Montego Bay.
You see, that's a couple degrees away from water boiling, you know. Water boils at 100 and we're at 86.
What about at 100 or 102?
102? Oh, well, my bad. I thought it was 100.
Ask Siri.
Siri, what temperature does water boil at? Siri, what temperature does water boil at?
The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius.
Oh, all right. 1 point for Christopher.
I know this ain't the KFC line, bro. That is crazy. People go home and eat at your yard. So I use this app called Yuka. Started using it recently. When I go to the supermarket, I use it to scan everything because, oh, this is an unknown product. That's unfortunate. But I know I scanned this one before. So the higher the number out of 100, whoops. The higher the number out of 100, the better it is. All right.
I've been missing out for a long time. Was a different guy with a dull mind. Took too many shots of the wrong kind. Dragging my life out to a slow decline. Feeling out of touch, yet I don't try. Making my way out to the bright lights. Money never gets me on a good time. It takes away the spark in the right size. Times they never send me. Better to lick cold than an overdrive fee. I was waiting for the warm when the sun's gonna peak. I don't need regrets, no, you're never gonna sleep. Never gonna sleep. Never gonna sleep, never gonna sleep. Never gonna sleep. Never gonna sleep. My head's just a little tired, holding up a smirk and you read between the lines. I was waiting for the call and I ain't afraid to die. I was looking for my world when my light gon' shine. Never gonna sleep, my light gon' shine. Never gonna sleep, never gonna sleep. When my light gon' shine, my light gon' shine. Never gonna sleep, light gon' shine. Gonna sleep. Light gon' shine, light gon' shine, I've been staying focused on the grind. 18-hour shifts never keep me getting mine. I ain't worried about the trend that's just keeping you behind. Tempted by the God that is broken with the line. I've been smile.